What's up, YouTube? Today we're going to show you how to design a Gmail signature with your own image, and we'll also show you how to add the signature to your Gmail account. This process only takes a few minutes and can be a great way to add a professional and personal touch to your emails. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is head over to snappa.com and create a free account. On the homepage, click under Custom Graphic Size and type in 600 pixels for the width and 240 pixels for the height. I found that 600 by 240 produces the best clarity, and you'll be able to adjust the size of your signature in Gmail as well. So after typing in the dimensions, click Create to open your canvas. Now that our canvas is open, we can begin by adding a circle. I'll select the Shapes tab in the top left corner and click on a circle to add it to my canvas. Then, I'll click on the shape and use the toolbar on the left to change the color. I'm going to choose black to make it a clean border because I plan on layering a profile picture on top of it. After that, I'll click and drag to resize and reposition the shape on my canvas. Now, if I click on the Graphics tab and select Uploads, I can upload the profile picture that I'm going to use for my Gmail signature. Once it's uploaded, I'll hover my mouse over the image and click on the Crop button. From there, I can select the circle icon and click Apply to crop my image as a circle. I'll then click to add the image to my canvas and layer it over the black circle. If you're having trouble positioning the image on top, you can use the arrow keys on your keyboard to make precise adjustments. Next up, I'm going to click on the Text tab and add a subheading. Make sure to double-click the text box on your canvas to edit the text, and you can type in your name, your business, or any other information that you want to include on your design. All of the text editing tools are located on the left. Here I can change the font, the size, the color, and the alignment of my text. Feel free to play around with our text tools and arrange the text box to your liking. You can also copy and paste a text box on your canvas to keep the same style. And I'm going to use this method to add a few more lines of text to my Gmail signature. Remember, you can always use the arrow keys to make specific position adjustments, and you can also hold down the Shift key and click on multiple elements to group them for repositioning. For the next step, click on the Graphics tab and select Icons. Here, you can use the search bar to look up social media icons or any other icons that you want to add to your design. I'm going to add a few to my signature, and I recommend using the same icon style for consistency. Take your time resizing and repositioning the icons to make sure that they fit well within your design. Lastly, I'm going to go back to the Shapes tab and add a rounded border. I'll then use the toolbar on the left to adjust the size, color, and position of the border to place it under the icons. I can now place a line of text inside the shape to encourage contacts to follow our socials. Once you're happy with how your Gmail signature looks, click the pen icon at the top to rename it. Then, make sure to click the Save button to avoid losing any progress, and download it as a Retina PNG to export the image file to your computer. Now that my signature is finished, I can head into Gmail to add it to my account. Once you've opened Gmail, click the Settings button at the top right corner and select See All Settings. Then just scroll down until you see the Signature settings and click Create New. Give your signature a name, click Create, then select the image icon to upload the design that you created in Snappa. You'll notice that the signature is expanded, so what you want to do is click on the image and change the size to large or medium. This option is completely up to you, but I've found that the medium size works best. After that, use the drop-down menu to set this signature as the default for all new emails, and then scroll down and click Save Changes. Now, when you write a new email, you'll notice that your signature image is automatically included at the bottom. And here's a preview of how it looks when someone receives an email from you. Well, that wraps up today's video. If you learned something new, remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.